Guys, I'm typical here. So today we have the Alvoxon USB wireless microphone. It is the UM310 Pro microphone, and here's the back side. As you can see here, it is a UHF brand PL synchronized microphone system, max 100 feet, with noise cancelling systems, and it compatible with iPhone, Android phone, Windows, Mac computer, and PS4. But let's go with the unboxing now. You can see here it comes with a lavalier microphone that can clip to your shirt, and it plugs into some type of interface, I'm guessing. And then, yeah, so when you open it up, it has a little pop filter on it to prevent the pop from your voices. And it's wrapped in this nice cord. And in this packet right here, it looks like that all you get is like a little string, I'm guessing, to like hang it on, like hang your USB dongle, but I don't think you'll be using that often, because you can like just clip it to your pants. You can see here there's like a little thing on the back that you can clip it to your pants, and the power button right there, and then again you push that, and then it would unlock the latch, which you can put it on your shirt or somewhere which it would rest. Then again, here you have your volume gain control, a charging port. I think it's USB-B, and then that's it from the box. And then if you see that one, that jack is just for just a direct connection. So again, this one is a direct connection. So all you do is just plug it into the interface on the USB interface thing dongle. And then this one is the cord, which it's a cord, and you run it in your shirt, and you clip it to the top of your shirt, and then you can speak. Like if you're like in a meeting or something, or vlogging, you can use it, or like a podcast, you can use it. And if you're like walking around, you can use it, or if you have like a camera, you can use it also, because built-in microphones in the cameras are not that good. But here we go. I'm gonna unplug this action camera that I have, then plug the USB Type B charger into the interface, and then there it is. It's in. Come on, go in. Come on, go in. Come on, just go in. Oh my gosh. Okay, I think I have the wrong cable. It won't go in, so I have to try stepping up. So bear in mind until I get the right charger. So I think this is a USB Type B charger. I think that was a USB Type C charger, but right now I have the USB Type B charger in my hand. So let me just unwrap it right now from the wrapping. It is not zip tied, like tied up together, which is good, because of course you don't want cables out ripping out the box. And so bear in mind with me. So I'm gonna unplug my phone charger from my power strip, and then I'm gonna plug in the USB-B charger into the thing here, and this, oops, wrong way, and just charger, I mean this power brick, is a smart one. Notice the Wi-Fi reset button in the top, because I can tell my smart devices like Alexa to turn off any plug like my computer or monitor or whatever stuff is connected in the smart power plugs ports. So right now, I'm gonna plug it in. Ooh. Okay. Plug it in. Ooh, wrong way. Ooh, go in. Just go in. Just go in. Okay, it's in, and you can see a power light is on. It is charging, so I'm gonna leave it here for a couple of hours so that it charges because it's probably low on battery. Okay, so here's how to do it. So right now I just the plug microphone in. Now you can also use the wired one. Either one is the same process. All you do is plug it into the wireless transmitter antenna, the receiver into the laptop or computer. This is a test using the Alvoxon USB wireless microphone UM310 Pro, and it comes with 100 feet range, a USB-C dongle, and a USB dongle for regular computers use, and here are the looks of those adapters right here. If I can even get those out, as you can see. So here it is, the USB-C adapter. Again, the USB dongle goes in the USB port, and then the plugs into your other end plugs into your iPad or Android device or whatever. And then if I can get this one out, you will have a lightning adapter for your iPhone. Now is my final thought of the product. Now it is okay, it's not that good, but as you can see here, I took off the filter off the microphone because it doesn't really help. But as you can see, here's the microphone itself. It's a straight microphone. You have to make sure you orient it right to make sure the volume is directly at you. So yeah, and the microphone is a little soft, so you might need to like increase the gain in your settings or something. The gain, because it is a little soft. And here's the dongle, and as you can see here, the dongle, you have these little lights that can line up, and the top light, and there's an antenna right here, as if I can get it out. The antenna just goes up like this, and the light here, again, the top light is for like power indicator, and then the bottom lights are, and then the lights below it are all, if it's all green, then you're all connected and everything. And then I'm guessing that port right there is if you want to monitor your sound coming in to the microphone, if you want to do that. But let me put the microphone antenna back down. And here's a paper that says here, do not use any apps until 3 seconds after the plug in your phone. I'm guessing it's because maybe the phone or iPad needs to like set up the microphone profile and stuff. And here it says, don't worry if the temperature gets so hot. It's normal. The heat dissipation system. Now I get it. Conversions of dongles are tricky for conversion stuff. So it can get a little hard, as you can see. Like the conversion from USB to Lightning, and it's a little complicated to like regulate the voltages. And there's a string that I don't know why it has a string. But do I recommend this product? Yes, if you're beginners, and then maybe upgrade down the line when you have more money or something. But I'll use this for when I do vlogs and stuff. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to join the socials. Subscribe, turn on post notification, like the video, and see you guys. Peace.